Hello everyone, my name is Yash and we are from grade 5 at Candor International School.
So our problem is that a lot of the poor people, they can't get the food that need, so that means that they will eventually die.
Our action is that we have made a vending machine over here and two drones. So basically the vending machine has food that a lot of people, poor people, come and take the food from the vending machine and they will have enough food so no one will die of hunger.
Hi, my name is Sian. So I will explain how it works. So the people, first of all, the people who want to help the poor can donate the money, or they can come and supply food to the vending machines. Then the vending machines will give the food to the drones, then the drones will have some selected locations. When after that, the drones will go and give it to the people. So these are the drones, and that's the basket which will then go to the people, and then it will leave the basket over there, and then they can take the food from it. This is water, and then this is another drone. There are two drones, and this is our chart.
Our SDG goal is number 2, zero hunger.
And that's the vending machine, and there are all the foods over there.
So this is our project. Thank you.